you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the December Allure beauty box. I'm really excited to see what's inside. I haven't peeked yet or watched anyone's videos, but I've seen some thumbnails of videos and they all seem pretty positive, so that really excites me. If it's a little dark in here, it's almost sunset, so that's why. But anyways, if you guys do not know what Allure Beauty Box is, it is obviously a beauty box. Your first month costs only $10 and then it's $15 a month thereafter. It's generally pretty good. I mean, there are some like hits and misses and stuff like that. But sometimes you get full-size items and you only pay $10 or $15 depending on what month it is. So that is amazing. So yeah, this is the box it comes in. It's like you can't even close it, it's so full. So yeah, let's get this open and see what is inside. Oh, but before we do, I have a giveaway ending tonight, like just in several hours, so at midnight tonight. So if you guys have not yet entered, I have a giveaway going on in my BoxyCharm Premium. I'm gonna link that down below. And of course, I'll link Allure Beauty Box as well. So when I open it up, this is what I see. They always say like a model or someone. This looks like Rachel Zoe, is it? Or who is this? She looks like someone I know. Oh, it's Anastasia from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm like, she's famous. I know her. Okay, I think I did hear that. So that's exciting. This is like an ABH theme box. But anyways, there's like a note from the editor here. I won't read that all because usually they kind of give some spoilers. And then on the pages inside, they talk about the items. And the editors talk about like why they chose them and all of that. So yeah, let's see. Oh man, even the tissue says Allure and Anastasia. Why can't I never say that? Is it Anastasia, Anastasia? I don't know if you guys could see that, but they have some like special tissue paper for this slab. Ooh, so I'm just gonna grab the first thing I see here. Oh, that's funny, I just got this in another box. I haven't tried it out yet. This is the Christoph Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. Did I get this? Maybe in like a limited edition Birchbox. I think that's where I got it. I've tried this brand before and I really like them, so I will definitely get use out of this. I do like to use like a Detox Scrub like for my scalp. I don't know if this one's considered detox, maybe because it says cleansing and purifying. Like once a week, especially if you use dry shampoo a lot. I think this is very helpful. This is definitely not full size, so I think in here it will list the full size pricing. Oh wow, yeah, the full size price is $53 and you can get it at Sephora, but ooh, I don't mind getting that again. Is this full size? Oh man, I've heard such good things about this. This is by First Aid Beauty. It's their Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. I think this is the one I've heard raved about. Like Kelly Gooch is one of the beauty YouTubers that likes this, and someone else. I swear I've heard good things. So this is really exciting. And this is 1.7 fluid ounces or 15 mLs. I think this is definitely full size. I've only tried a few things by First Aid Beauty before and I always like them. So yeah, just a primer that's smoothing. It's good for sensitive skin. That's good to know. So here it is on here. This is $28. Okay, and this has got to be full size, yeah, because I show a picture of the full size items inside here and it's the same size. That's so exciting. It says you can either have gotten this or the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. I'm glad I got this one because I swear this is the product I've heard raved about, so awesome. When I see an Anastasia product, I'm just gonna say ABH because I don't know what's right. This is a liquid lipstick in Trust Issues. I've heard mixed opinions on the ABH lipstick formula. I have one by them. It's like a really light pink. I honestly don't even know where it is. I haven't reached for it in a while. If you guys watch my Shop My Stash videos, you know my lipstick collection's out of control. Let me get this open. So this is for sure full size. This is what it looks like. It's pretty. This is a good like winter color, I'd say. It's pretty dark, but oh, it's really dark. Wow. I've said this in multiple recent videos, but I'm trying to like branch out and try other makeup I don't normally go for, like different colors, different like consistencies and stuff like that. So I'll have to try this out, but this is definitely a dark shade. Wow, and this is $20, so another item that is valued higher than what I paid for the box. That's crazy. Another ABH product. Oh, and this is their clear brow gel. I actually use a clear brow gel every day, so I will get some use out of it. And ABH is really known for their brow products. I've always wanted to try their Brow Wiz. So I'm pretty sure this is full size too. Let's see what the one looks like. Okay, so it's kind of big. It looks like a mascara one, but I will definitely get some use out of this after I finish my other one. This is $22. Again, more than what I paid for the box. This is awesome. There's another ABH product, and I think it might be this. Let's see. This is crazy. Did we get 3 full-size ABH products in our $15 Allure beauty box? This is the Moonchild Glow Kit by ABH. I think I might have seen this before, like a TJ Maxx or something, or one of their other kits, but I don't mind. I've had some of their face palettes before, like the contour palettes, but I've never had any of their glow kits. Ooh, so there's 6 highlight shades in here. Let's find this. Oh man, I can't believe we got this much ABH. It's awesome. And this is $40. But if you don't get this and you have some FOMO, check out your TJ Maxx. These are pretty shades. I'm gonna try them all out. Like I said, I'm branching out. Like even the purples, let's kind of swatch those. Ooh, I love highlights. I never go a day without highlighter. So this is super exciting, you guys. The value of this box is insane. Dare I say that this is like the best Allure beauty box ever? Okay, let's do a little recap. It seems like we have like less items compared to other boxes, but the items are like full size and have a much greater value than usual. So we have the ABH the Moonchild Glow Kit. Okay, I just have to show you one more time. I think this is so pretty. Maybe I should swatch a few other ones. Star, it's like silvery. Is my voice somewhere right now? I don't know why I feel like it does. I don't know why I'm showing you that. My thumb you can't really see. Ooh, yeah, they're all like very unique. I can't wait to try these. But, yep. That's good, A+ for me. And then we have a full-size ABH Lippy. Honestly, I don't know how often I'll wear this, but I am happy to have it. I don't know if I have any shades that are this color exact. It seems like it's drying down completely, so that is good. The brow gel, great. Pretty sure that's full size too, because I don't know why you would need a bigger one than that. Usually brow gels are around that size. Another full size item, something I've been wanting to try actually, is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer. So awesome. And then I have the last thing is something I've gotten before but I haven't tried yet. But I'm happy to have it because I do go through things like this. The Christoph Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt, which I believe to be the only non-full-size item in this box. Wow, Allure Beauty, they killed it this month. I think that's so cool that they collaborated with ABH because I do really like that brand. I know like with all their constant releases lately, they've been kind of like going downhill in a lot of people's eyes, but I still really do get excited for their products. So this box is a total win for me. Did you guys get this box? You guys have to let me know your opinions down below. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.